Hi guys, this is Laura, and I wanted to show you my latest obsession. I've been wanting to do this for months, and I have been doing diamond painting since about August, and I just received this one in the mail the other day, and I took it out of the package, and I just wanted to share it with you. So let's turn it over. It has four cats on it. And it's really cute, several shades of blue and some orange and yellow and reds, and I think it'll be really cute. It's a 30 by 30. I did get it from Amazon, and I usually don't buy this size, but I thought, well, this one's kind of manageable, and I really thought the cat was just absolutely precious. So the look on his face is just absolutely priceless. So I wanted to show you that it only has 17 colors. It does have a plastic cover, which is nice. I like it, but I don't like it. I do like the opaque covers better, but we'll go with this, and this is a partial. I wanted to show you the drill field while we're at it. I don't know, but it looks pretty clear in my eyes. I'm not sure if you're seeing that there. And it's real easy and manageable, and I liked it. Let's get into the colors. Sorry about the crinkling, all y'all. Get rid of that. Okay, so the first color is kind of a dark color. There are no DMC numbers on this. So let me turn my light around here. So this appears to be kind of a black blue. The next one is even a little bit lighter, like a purple blue. And then we have another dark blue, and yet another one. And then we have turquoise, and it goes into 3 different shades of turquoise, which is really nice. Then we have 2 packages of white, and we have some gray. I'm not real sure on the DMC scale what that is. I'm not real into the numbers, but I do like them when they do have that, because I do save most of my drills. This is a round, by the way. Then we have an orange. We have 3 shades of red, which is kind of an orange red, and then a little medium red, and then you have almost a cranberry color of red, and then a bright yellow orange, and then kind of a medium yellow orange, and a tan. So maybe we'll have a paint with me, since I've got all my equipment now. And hope you like this. And I did pay $7.68 for it, and it says it's 11.8 by 11.8, but it also says on here 30 by 30. So I haven't tested these, the diamond paintings that I have done. I haven't framed but about 3 of them. So I have given some away as gifts, of course. So, oh, there is no wrinkles, and there are no rivers, nothing in this. And I think once it gets laid out under a book, I think it'll be just fine, since it's a partial. And if I have to, I may iron it. I don't know if I have to or not, but we'll let it sit under a book for a couple of nights, and then we'll work on it. Okay? Thank you for coming, and thank you for watching, and maybe we can do this again. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe. Thank you.